Pundi X holder. Today video is going to be very special for Pundi X because Pundi X holder asked me why Pundi X is going down day by day. This is going to be the reason I explain in this video, and I hope Pundi X going up like a rocket. So let's get start this brand video. But before I get started this brand video, I request you to please click the subscribe button. If you get subscribe ABS Tech channel, then you have informed every cryptocurrencies. I inform you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So this is absolutely good channel for you. If you just subscribe, then absolutely thank you so much. Okay guys, so first of all, if you can see here, this is 1 hour chain, and then I gonna show you the 1 day chain. Then we decided to this is selling time or buying time. Why the Pundi X goes down. So you can see here absolutely minus 2.23% has gone. So this is not a big chain. If you can see here, this is not a big chain and very bad jump, a very bad dump. If you can see here, the all cryptocurrencies as goes down and those days, but Pundi X is not a goes down like every day. If you can secure out the last 24-hour result, let me show you the last 24-hour result. Absolutely good result. You can see here absolutely like a rocket, plus 10.53% has gone up. This is absolutely very big jump. So Pundi X is absolutely gone up. They cannot starting dumping. Absolutely they gone up like a rocket. They good jumping. You can see here if the price is check it out 0.00829 US dollar. This is absolutely a very big price, and I hope they can cross $1 US just in a few days. So what you say, they can cross 1 US dollar? What you say? Please share your opinion in a comment box. Thanks for watching guys. This is live price prediction. This is live result, and the reason is that they can go down. So the reason is that say this is the start of month, and I hope they can starting growing in a few days, and just upcoming week. You can see here the result absolutely change and good jumping. So thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please click out like video if you enjoy, and subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest updates and news. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.